Another day, another Google Pixel 9 leak. This time we're dealing with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Google's second ever foldable smartphone. A German language promo video for it has now been leaked, and it gives us a few more details. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be offered with 256GB for £1,670 and 512GB for £1,850. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will be unveiled on August 13th alongside the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel Watch 3, and Pixel Buds Pro 2. We got our hands on the promo images of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Pixel 9 Pro Fold renders show the foldable in obsidian and porcelain colors. Retail box is tipped to have the handset, USB Type-C cable, and a SIM ejector tool. We finally get to see the Pixel 9 Pro Fold in the flesh. Someone spotted a Pixel 9 Pro Fold in a Starbucks in Taiwan and took a sneaky picture of the device. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will have a 6.3-inch cover screen and an 8-inch Super Actua Flex with 120Hz OLED display, with rounded corners. That display will also be ultra-bright at 2700 nits. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold could have a 48MP main camera, a 10.5MP ultra-wide snapper, and a 10.8MP telephoto sensor. There could be a 10MP shooter on the front for selfie. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is expected to feature Google's new Tensor G4 SoC and will definitely be AI-infused left and right. The chipset could be paired with up to 16GB of RAM. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold could debut in two storage variants, 256GB and 512GB, priced at $1,799 and $1,919. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will come with AI features including Circle to Search, Magic Editor, and Best Take. It also has the new Add Me feature which could let people add themselves to group photos leveraging AI. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold power by 4,650 mAh battery. A new 45W Google branded charging brick has also been revealed. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.